तांजा जोश जज्बा जुनून
Lambda variant is a variant of concern, sorry, variant of interest, which has originally been detected in Peru. It has spread to, and there it has been somewhat dominant in their pandemic. It has spread to Europe. It has been detected in some other countries as well. As I said, it is a variant of interest. That means its total significance is still being explored. And as far as we know, this has not entered our country. We have not detected this variant in our country. Our surveillance system, a very effective INSACOG surveillance system, will detect it should it happen to come into our country, because when you do sequencing, then all this will be picked up. So we should watch for that space in terms of how this or any other variant, for that matter, would appear. As I said, it is a variant of interest. That means its public health significance is being watched, but it has not been proven for excessive transmissibility or for impact on excess severity or any other public health issues such as issues related to vaccine, etc. We should be watchful for these variants because the virus is under pressure the world over, and once the virus goes under pressure, then it tends to pick up characteristics which help in survival and so on. So that's an evolutionary process. But as of now, yes, we should be watching such variants for their presence in our country. But as of now, we have no evidence that this has been detected in any part of our country.
तांजा जोश जज्बा जुनून